Welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and I was working on a different video when I came across what it sure as heck seems like there's some bugs with the rank X and the rank function. Um, so for example, um, this is part of the trim mean function, the very first part of the trim mean function. So I have add columns, select columns from my TM table, the value, right? Then I have a rank X, right, which you can see is doing descending, it's TM table value, and then a skip. And it ends up with the rank 1, right, where you have 11 for 1, 9, 9, because it's skipping, right? But I have the same definition basically for rank. So it's rank skip, order by TM table value descending. It's odd that it doesn't recognize TM table value for some reason, but it works. It underscores it. But that's not a skip ranking. That's a dense ranking. If I change this to dense, right? And then so there's dense, right? Same as here, but I do dense over here. So it's the same. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't seem to matter if I use dense or skip here. So I mean, I would think that's got to be a bug in the rank function potentially, um, right? Because I'm switching it to skip, and it comes up skip, and I hit enter, and it doesn't change. So what is up with that? Second, here's something that is just blows my mind. And then now this is a problem with the rank X function. So if I change this to select columns, I say value 1, right? And I hit enter, right? Column value cannot be found or may not be used in this expression. It's complaining about this one, but this is correct. I want my value function, my value column to be renamed value 1 in my new table, right? But I want the rank X to operate against the TM table value, which you can see over here, it's called value, right? So if I have to, so because I have this select columns, like if I change this to value 1, right? Then it comes back, it recognizes, it doesn't error out, but it's obviously it's wrong, right? Because this isn't what I'm trying to rank X by. So it seems like one and a bug within rank X where I don't know why within this add columns and the select columns and I rename this to value 1, why I have to put value 1 here and for it to work, because I'm not referring to this table that I'm building here. I'm referring to this original table, TM table, right? So and that works fine for rank, right? I'm referring to TM table and value, and it ranks it. So it's just I can't get the skip part of it correct. I don't want it to be dense. I want it to be skip. So so yeah, it seems like there's some bugs going on here within DAX, within rank X and rank, and I just don't understand what's going on. So if somebody out there can like, hey Greg, this is why, I would appreciate it, but I just found this entire thing just really bizarre working with these functions, particularly that I can't get this skip and this dense. It doesn't work correctly, and the fact that I have to rename this and then use the same this makes no sense to me at all, right? Yeah, so there's dense, right? Rank 1 using rank X is dense. If I do skip, then I should get this, but doing the same thing for rank, using the rank function, I use skip versus dense doesn't seem to make one bit of difference, which I don't understand that. So somebody can help me out. I would certainly appreciate it. But that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.